In the realm of the digital currency market, new advances are appearing at contend in an as of now oversaturated market. Explorer token digital money is one of such passages. However, with a ton of contrasts, Explorer token has gained notoriety for turning into a public corporation. This increase in standing coming about because of being authorized now, and the positive news has pushed Explorer's position to number 91. Leaving its imprint is continuously trying for a cryptographic money merchant. However, Explorer token VGX has plainly conquered those impediments. Explorer token cost today is exchanging over its normal cost. Yet what will be its future? What is Explorer? Explorer is a crypto financier administration offering a free from even a hint of harm crypto resources exchanging stage to financial backers and merchants. The assistance began in October 2018, and presently the stage upholds north of 50 crypto resources. It likewise utilizes an extraordinary brilliant request directing innovation interfacing with other crypto trades. The main organization, Crypto Exchanging Advancements, is the gathering that made the Explorer with Stephen Alick as the pioneer behind the organization. The thought was to offer totally without commission exchanges for both trading. Prior to executing the request, brokers should follow through on just the cited VGX cost, which is now shown to the client. The organization has additionally gotten interest from Lightspeed Monetary, and the group is knowledgeable about versatile applications and exchanging. In this manner, all of the fintech foundations from the individuals help in the further advancement of the stage. There are a few elements for the Explorer stage, and a portion of these are recorded here. Liquidity. Explorer VGX has fabricated a cutting-edge savvy request switch and guardianship answer for tackle liquidity issues. Orders are directed and split between trades to offer the best execution for clients. The stage lets clients care their direction with reserves that are consistently fluid and secure, guaranteeing that clients' assets are secure and accessible when they need them. Transaction charges. Explorer VGX plays out a sans commission exchanging administration. Buyers can exchange realizing that they get the most ideal execution without superfluous charges. Costs are direct. Subsequently, clients can see the Explorer token VGX cost and any remaining charges prior to executing an exchange. Accessibility. A few trade connection points can be scary for new clients as well as experienced. Thus, basic to fabricate applications are available and simple to utilize when required. The Explorer Group has immense experience fabricating profoundly prospering shopper-driven applications like eTrade, Apple, and Uber, which a huge number of individuals utilize around the world. The Explorer bunch plans and makes each component simple to utilize and open. This equivalent plan mindset is likewise used to construct a direct and open wallet and exchanging point of interaction. Trustworthiness. The Explorer Group has a broad history in the customary monetary industry and inside the crypto world. Explorer token makes trust by focusing on well-being and available self-guardianship decisions for clients through open value, building trust and straightforwardness with clients. The group works with industry pioneers like Record Vault to execute profoundly secure, best-in-class care arrangements. Explorer token intends to make the most secure purchaser-situated spot to exchange move and authority crypto. VGX specialized investigation. The amassing, dissemination pointer affirms high market interest as shown by the diagram climbing. It ought to, nonetheless, be noticed that the VGX cost couldn't proceed with its vertical pattern, implying that some market members utilized the offer Explorer token request to move it. It very well may be really smart to purchase Explorer token orders close to the opposition level for merchants utilizing pattern following methodology. This would guarantee that the right section point is laid out from the get-go in the exchange without agonizing over the Explorer token value bouncing back to the 50-day moving normal and putting in the purchase request there. Since December 2021, the cost is declining. There was a slight recuperation saw in December end 2021, yet again it fell. The Bollinger Group show that the unpredictability detonated in November 2021 as the high market support pushed the cost of Explorer token upwards in a brief time frame. This made the RSI pointer produce an overbought signal. The instability is still high, yet brokers could exploit this by submitting the requests at the right passage point and guaranteeing that the opposition levels are crossed prior to leaving their positions. The ongoing RSI is set at 41.75. As said previously, the VGX is a rebrand of the current coin. Because of that, there might be some disarray on the diagram set of experiences. The above graph is the historical backdrop of the VGX coin. Specialists accept VGX holds genuine worth, and the ongoing circumstances are great to start purchase orders since it is near the highs of August 2021. As it tends to be seen, the beginning of the year expanded the cost of the Explorer token fundamentally. Specialists don't really accept that the VGX experienced a brief cost increment toward the start of the year, and the ongoing cost is way beneath the normal worth of the VGX coin. it is normal that the normal worth of VGX will proceed to rise, and, in a couple of months, the most exorbitant cost will be reached, making the fate of VGX coin perfect. Explorer Token Value Expectations 2022 to 2026. The VGX crypto cost conjecture depends on past costs and prescient information demonstrating calculations. No Explorer token estimate can be 100% valid because of unpredictability in the crypto market. Venture counsel and anticipated future cost are generally conditional. It is difficult to impeccably anticipate Explorer tokens' cost projection for the impending a long time with the typical cost showed alongside valuations and natural qualities. However, Explorer cost forecasts act as an instrument, which can assist with further developing the dynamic interaction. Notwithstanding, it is in every case great to stick to appropriate gamble the executives. This isn't monetary exhortation, and any beneficial venture framework straightforwardly relies upon different variables like gamble openness or cost changes. Merchants and financial backers ought to do their own exploration prior to utilizing any kind of figure framework. In the wake of breaking down authentic information, the Explorer token cost gauge for quite a long time are as per the following. Explorer Token Value Expectation 2022. According to the Explorer Token Digital Currency Gauge, the cost of Explorer Token VGX is anticipated to arrive at the very least degree of $2.06. The cost of Explorer Token can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.40. The typical cost all through the year will be around $2.19, in view of our VGX token cost expectation. Explorer Token Value Expectation 2023. The Explorer VGX cost conjecture is to arrive at the very least expected cost of $2.23, with a greatest cost of $2.69 in the year 2023. The typical exchange cost all through the year is supposed to be close to $2.43 cost level in view of our VGX cost expectation. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2024. According to the Information Cost Expectations models, the base Explorer Token VGX cost gauge level will be $2.06. As per VGX cost expectation, the most extreme cost will be $3.18, with a typical exchange cost of around $2.63 all through 2024. Explorer Token Value Forecast 2025. As indicated by the Specialized Investigation for the year 2025, the base Explorer VGX cost expectation 2025 will be $2.90, and the greatest value level will be $3.69. In light of our VGX cost forecast, the normal exchange cost will be $3.24. Explorer Token Value Expectation 2026. The Explorer cost expectations show that the base cost of Explorer VGX figure is supposed to be $2.72. The VGX cost visualization recommends that the greatest cost will be $3.30, keeping a typical cost of $3.02 in the year 2026. What number of VGX tokens are there available for use? The present cost of the coin is $1.68. The circling supply of VGX tokens remains at more than 278,482,200.